It's Pressley and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my at-home dance studio, aka my basement, to teach you guys a fun little combo inspired by Sony Pictures Kids Zone YouTube channel. This piece is choreographed by Monica Parenza, the amazing choreographer for the film Center Stage on Pointe. So make sure to go check out Sony Pictures Kids Zone YouTube channel for more content just like this. I'm going to be teaching this 8 count by 8 count and then putting it together with music at the end. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to start off by walking on the right foot with your head facing this way and then stepping to the front on your left. And you're going to be contracting, bringing your arms up like this. For a contraction, you want to feel like somebody is pulling your spine to the back wall. So it should look like this from the side, and your arms are coming up. So after you do that, you're going to prepare, and you're going to take a turn in this position. Your leg is in a low arabesque, and your arms are just like this. So it should look just like this. You could do single or more or whatever you are feeling. Once you land, you're going to take a plie with your arm coming in fifth over your head. You're going to grab your leg and take a turn and land that way, and then jump to fifth. That is your first 8 count, and I'm going to go over it one more time and then move on. So you're going to step right, contract left, down, around, step, ball change, leg, step, and fifth. Yay! Let's go on to the second 8 count. So you're going to bring your arm through this way and around to grab your leg. And at the same time, this arm is going to be going over your head and around. So you're going to make a big circle and grab your leg. So after you go like this, you're still in fifth position plie. You're going to grab your leg and do a parallel side attitude and step back. So you're going to rond de jambe and around. So you go up, down, rond de jambe, down. After that, you're going to take a pas de bourrée to face the back. Pas de bourrée, and you're going to prepare. You can either prepare turned out or turned in, whatever you prefer. And you're going to take a double or single turn in coupe. Take your turn and slide down to the floor. That section goes 1, down, attitude, around, pas de bourrée, up, and slide. For the next 8 count, you're going to roll onto your stomach and take your leg all the way around, just like that. So you go here, roll, and around. After that, you're going to roll on your back, crossing your legs just like this to sit right here. After that, you're going to go up, and forced arch on each leg, and bring your arms up. One more time, you're on the floor after your turn. You're going to go around, back, step, up, and 5, 6, 7, 8. If you can't balance here, you can always put your heels down. So now you're going to plie on this leg and take your leg in a side attitude turn. So you're going to go just like that. And you're going to take a full turn around, or you can just take a balance if that is too hard. So you're going to go around, step, step, up. So you're going to go around, step, step. After that, you're going to break that way, and you're going to prepare for another turn. So here, you're going to break, and you're turning in like a front attitude with your arms here and in forced arch. So you're going to take either double or single or balance, whatever level you are at right now, you're going to take 1, 2. And whatever turn you do, you want to make sure to land to this corner. So your spot should be to that corner. After that, you're going to do walk, arabesque. Then the arabesque, your arm is going to be coming over like that. Walk, arabesque, chasse back with your arms here. And then you're going to step this foot in to meet this one. And your arm is going to come up to cup your ear. After that, you're going to break and plie on this leg. So let's do that one more time, and then we'll move on to finish it. So you can go walk, up, chasse, plie. You're going to take a low chaîné into either a side aerial, a cartwheel, or just 3 chaînés. Whatever level you are at, again, you're going to go down, down, aerial, or if that is too hard, you can always go down, down, cartwheel, or you can go chaîné, chaîné, chaîné. And after that, you land, whatever you just did, come around, plie, plie, arms slide behind. Then you're going to do a fan kick, grabbing your leg like that, but with a straight leg, you're going to hold it and then step down. So it just holds for like 1 second and then comes back down. So you're gonna go up, down, back, back, up, up, and let your arms melt down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that last section one more time. So you're gonna go step, step, arabesque, chasse, up, down, 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 aerial, down, right, left, leg, back, back, front, front. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that is the end of your combo. I'm gonna walk you guys through it from the top once, and then we'll try it with music. 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, down, turn, step, ball, change, up, down, plie, around, down, back, step, pas de bourrée, turn, turn, slide, around, and back. Here, ball change, 6, 7, 8. Plie, and turn, step, step, plie, up, up, step, step, arabesque, chasse, up, break, down, down, aerial, step, back, back, up, back, 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 melt, 6, 7, 8.
Keep me here, my heart is near, my love has gone away. And tell me true, my heart is new, my love has gone away. It's okay, I know someday I'm gonna be with you.
Okay guys, so that is the whole combo with music. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And make sure to go check out Sony Pictures Kids Zone YouTube channel for more content just like this. See you guys next time. Bye!